Hello there. My name is Ben, and I would like to show you a Pickaroon that I built. I've wanted to make this video for a while now because I'm so happy with it, but I held off because I wanted to put it through some hard use to see how it would hold up. First, I have to give credit where credit is due. The idea for the pick material isn't mine. I watched a video by Backwoods Tech, and he made a Pickaroon from an old saw blade. I wasn't sure how well it would hold up, but I built this one about 6 months ago, and it's held up very well. And I've been pretty hard on it. I built this one from a worn-out table saw blade and an old aluminum bat. It's very light, and the handle fits my hand well. I don't need a tight grip because the knob at the end keeps it from flying out of my hand. Because it has a round handle, you can't tell how it's oriented in your hand without looking at it. So I took a piece of 1/4-inch tubing and I taped it to the handle in line with the pick. And I just taped it on with electrical tape, and it's held up very well. Another thing I really like is this round top. It makes it quite easy to roll the Pickaroon back to get it to release from the wood. For such a simple tool, there are so many design possibilities that you can play with to end up with one that really works for you. I've made a few Pickaroons, but I keep coming back to this one. So for now, I'm going to stick with this handle and pick material and experiment with some different handle lengths and pick geometry. A little tip if you decide to build one for yourself. Make all the holes in the pick the same. Then they're interchangeable on the same handle. These have been very easy to build with only an angle grinder and a drill, and I have found it very rewarding. I may have gone a little overboard, but in my defense, it is a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, and take care.